Welcome to the PowerPoint Basics series where we discover all the different functions the tool has to offer. Today we are going to talk about the resizing of shapes. Starting off with a circle shape. This is a hard shape to format if you don't know the right tools, since a circle can look wonky very easily. But don't worry, there is an easy solution. You can find it in the Shape Format section. This segment only shows up if a shape is actively selected, so make sure that you click on your shape before you go looking for it. On the right side of your toolbar, you can now adjust the width and the height of your shape by typing in values. To achieve the perfect circle, you simply need to type the same value into both fields. Your circle will be perfectly round. Another way to do this is by right-clicking on your shape. In the appearing drop-down, you then need to select Size and Position. This time, a new menu will appear on the right side of your slide. Here again, you can adjust height and width. Both options lead to the same result, and if you type in a change in one view, it will also show up in the other. They are not separate since it links to the same shape. Let's add another example. The arc shape is special since the shape is essentially just an outline. Like with the circle, you can adjust height and width of the overall shape like shown before. You can also adjust the width of the outline to change the look of your arc. Again, there are two ways to go about it. Option 1 is to click on the shape and go into the Shape Format menu. Once you get there, click on Shape Outline and in the drop-down select Weight. Option 2 comes into play if you want your outline to be thicker than the suggested options in the previous drop-down. For this, do a right-click on the shape. In the appearing drop-down, select Size and Position. Click on the paint bucket. Under line and width, you can now type in a value to your liking. Now you might have noticed the yellow dots on the arc shape. With those, you can adjust the size of the arc itself. There are a few other shapes that have those yellow dots. Let me show you some examples. For one, there is the moon. The size of the moon can be adjusted like shown before. How full your moon is can be adjusted by moving the yellow dot. Another shape with additional adjustment possibilities is the block arrow. Here you can adjust how large the back of the arrow is, and you can also decide on the size of the arrow point. You don't have to learn all of these shapes by heart. Just always keep an eye open for those yellow dots that appear when clicking on a shape, and then get creative in trying them out. Sometimes you might even come up with a totally different shape. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a follow to not miss any other parts of the PowerPoint Basics series. See you next time.